What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to take a look here at Aerodrome Finance. And real quick, before we jump into the charts, we're going to take a look at the cryptocurrency fear and greed index on coinmarketcap.com. So we have been losing some greed recently, and we are heading into the fear. Right now, we are at neutral. Let's see, last week we were at a 60, and then last month we were at a 78. So we are down quite a bit. These markets are getting to be oversold. Let's head over to the charts here on tradingview.com. Welcome to the channel, guys. All the new subs, appreciate you guys. Taking a look here at the charts, we have Aerodrome Finance is currently down this morning. So it would be Monday morning. We are down 6.68%. So we have turned the 1086 level. So that was market support for 3 days. So we had support on the 10th, 11th, and the 12th of January, right at that level. Perfect. And now it appears to be flipping into market resistance. So it depends how we close today. If we close below it, then it's resistance. If we wick all the way back up and close above it, then it would look like one of these candles, maybe like the 11th, and it would be market support. That price level is 1086. So we'll see how that plays out throughout the day. We have a lot of hours left in today. Anything is possible. So the next potential market support level below the market, we haven't gotten there yet, is it's basically $1, 1.005. We are approaching that pretty quickly here this morning. We are trading at 1.02, and that level is 1.005, guys. So just a little bit lower, and we could see a bounce here. We are back to levels we haven't seen since October. These levels here on the 3rd and 2nd of October is the last time we found ourselves down here. We got close as well at the end of October, the 25th and 26th. So to say these markets are not oversold would be an understatement. These markets are starting to get very oversold, at least a lot of the altcoins. Bitcoin, not so much, but something like Aerodrome is starting to get a bit oversold. So we'll see where the bounce shows up. I wouldn't be surprised to see it show up at one of these price levels here. It could be the 105. It could be 1086. It could be all the way down here at 8257. We'll see what happens today. I think today is a full moon, so we could see a pretty major bottom take place, or at least some kind of a bounce today. It's pretty often you'll see markets bottom on the full moon, which it's either today or over the weekend or on Friday, but it's close. Taking a look here, we had talked about this in the past. So this major lower high that took place basically on the 3rd and 4th of January is a warning sign, guys. The leg that can follow those and can be very aggressive and very bearish, and that's exactly what we're seeing here play out. These markets were trying to print so it depends where you look. We have highs that are above. We're just taking a step back in time here. It doesn't matter too much at the moment, but we had some highs here on the 28th and 29th of December. We did take those out on the 3rd and 4th of January. We didn't take these out here on the 25th and 24th of December. So a little bit of a mixed bag of tricks, but overall the larger trend, here is a major lower low. We took out these lows. We rallied up here, major lower high. This is just about a double bottom. And here is another major lower high. And then this leg that followed, very, very bearish, very quick, very aggressive, something to keep an eye out on in the future. So we'll see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we'll see where this thing finds its bottom. Is it going to be down at 82? Is it going to be at 1.005? I can tell you that I'll be looking for quite the bounce if we get to 1.005. I think these markets are getting to be a little bit oversold, and I would expect a reaction in the opposite direction, which would be to the upside. We'll see. I wouldn't be surprised to see these markets, excuse me, rally throughout the Monday during the day session here. So that's that, guys. I mean, we've had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today, depending on how today closes, it would be the 7th down day in a row here. Once we broke this, basically a neckline here from a very rough and far from perfect head and shoulders, but we got that break on the 8th, and it's been nothing but straight down. Let's go drop into Bitcoin. It's down 24, almost 2,500. We're approaching an important level again, guys. This 92, basically 92,000 level, roughly. It's where we found support over here on the 30th. If that breaks, 88,453 should be next in line for Bitcoin. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one, of course. Not financial advice.